Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Bitcoin from Robinhood to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin for better trading opportunities or just to diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Robinhood and KuCoin. You'll need to verify your identity on KuCoin if you haven't already, as security is key in the crypto world. Once that's sorted, open the Robinhood app or website and log in to your account. It's super straightforward, just enter your credentials and you're good to go. Next, head over to your portfolio section and find your Bitcoin holdings. Tap or click on Bitcoin to select it, then look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. This might be under a menu like Crypto Wallet or Assets. When you select Withdraw, Robinhood will prompt you to enter a wallet address. That's where KuCoin comes in. Now, switch to your KuCoin app or website. Go to your wallet section, select Bitcoin, and copy the deposit address. It's crucial to double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Paste that address back into Robinhood's withdrawal form, then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those to ensure you're not overpaying. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and any fees. Once you're sure, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation message from Robinhood, and it might take a few minutes to an hour for the Bitcoin to appear in your KuCoin wallet, depending on network congestion. A quick tip for 2025. With evolving regulations, always stay updated on any changes to Robinhood or KuCoin's policies. And never share your private keys or seeds. Keep your assets secure. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from Robinhood to KuCoin. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next one.